This tank of premium red wine looks so peaceful, doesn't it? And in this tank, you'd assume 50,000 gallons of wine are sleeping peacefully too. But in fact, this wine will undergo some intense activity before it finally gets to rest in the bottle. Every time bentonite, tartaric acid, sulfur dioxide, or other additives are introduced into the wine, it will go through a vigorous mixing process. This violent mixing process happens yet again when a final blend of various wines is created or to optimize cold stabilization. A common practice for mixing large volumes of wine involves a propeller, often called an agitator, inserted through the side of the tank. This causes tremendous turbulence because that propeller is rotating at as much as 1800 RPM. Another very common method is the pump over. A very powerful pump typically creates a jet stream through the wine, leaving untouched dead areas on either side. These traditional mixing methods are not effective. They cause violent frothing and oxidation, which leads to wine degradation. To achieve uniformity of the wine mix, 5-tank complete volume turnovers are required. And the greater the volume of wine, the more force and time has traditionally been needed. But now there is a better way. That's because a research lab in Australia took up the challenge and developed the unique Vinfoil system for mixing large volumes of wine in a more gentle way in half the time. Those Australian process engineers based the Vinfoil system design on a revolutionary method of harnessing the natural energy in a large body of liquid. The key to this method is the unique Vinfoil blade design, which is custom engineered by computer to be exactly tailored to the individual tank. Rotating slowly at 277 RPM, the Vinfoil's computerized liquid dynamic design sets up a gentle yet relentless tsunami-type wave. This gentle force takes on a powerful life of its own and very quickly mobilizes the entire body of liquid. Here's a huge wine storage tank in California's Central Valley. Its 300,000 gallons of wine contain 21% solids, yet its gentle Vinfoil mixer turns the entire 1,200 tons of wine over 5 times in just 2 hours. This is a vast improvement compared to the conventional means that can take up to 10 times longer, operate at higher, more violent speeds, and utilize huge amounts of energy. Vinfoil, the new standard in mixing.